Let's talk sheep. These fascinating creatures have been an integral part of human history. For over 10,000 years, these gentle grazers have been our partners, providing warmth, comfort, and a whole lot more. They have been depicted in ancient art and literature, symbolizing peace and prosperity. From the rugged mountains of Tibet to the rolling hills of New Zealand, sheep have adapted to thrive in diverse environments. Their ability to flourish in such varied landscapes is a testament to their resilience and versatility. Their fleece, a marvel of nature, has clothed humanity for millennia, its fibers woven into everything from coarse carpets to fine suits. This natural material has been a cornerstone of human civilization. Sheep aren't just livestock, they're living, breathing factories, producing a renewable resource that has shaped civilizations. Their contribution goes beyond mere sustenance. Imagine a world without wool. It's hard to fathom, isn't it? No cozy sweaters on chilly nights, no plush carpets underfoot, no warmth to wrap ourselves in during the coldest months, no durable blankets to ward off the cold. Our lives would be significantly less comfortable. Wool's unique properties, its warmth, its ability to absorb moisture, its natural resilience, have made it an indispensable part of human life. It's a material that has stood the test of time. From the nomads of Central Asia to the fashion houses of Paris, wool transcends cultures and continents. It's a fabric that connects us all. But before wool can be transformed into luxurious garments or sturdy rugs, it undergoes a fascinating journey, a metamorphosis from fleece to fiber. This process is both intricate and captivating. This journey takes us from the shearing sheds to the spinning mills, each step a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring partnership with these remarkable animals. It's a story of collaboration and craftsmanship. So let's get our hands dirty and explore the amazing world of wool, from sheep to shop. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this incredible material. It all starts with the shearer, a skilled artisan wielding a tool that looks like a cross between a clipper and a power drill. This tool is essential for the precise and efficient removal of the fleece. Shearing, the process of removing a sheep's fleece, is a dance between human and animal, a delicate balance of speed and precision. The shearer must be attuned to the sheep's movements, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. A good shearer can shear a sheep in minutes, their hands moving with a practiced rhythm, separating the fleece in one clean piece. This skill takes years to perfect, and the best shearers make it look effortless. Before the shearing begins, the sheep are gathered and brought into the shearing shed. This process is done calmly to avoid stressing the animals. The air buzzes with anticipation, a mix of animal sounds and the whirring of shearing machines. It's a symphony of activity, each sound contributing to the unique atmosphere of the shearing shed. The shearers work quickly and efficiently, their movements swift but gentle. Each shearer has their own technique honed over countless hours of practice. The sheep, relieved of their heavy fleece, are then released back into the paddock, ready to grow a new coat. They seem lighter, more agile, and ready to enjoy the open fields once again. Animal welfare is paramount throughout the shearing process. Every step is taken to ensure the sheep are comfortable and unharmed. Shearers are trained to handle the sheep with care, minimizing stress and ensuring the animal's well-being. This training is crucial for maintaining high standards of animal welfare. The shearing sheds are designed to be well ventilated and spacious, providing a comfortable environment for both sheep and shearers. Good ventilation helps keep the air fresh and the temperature regulated. It's a partnership built on respect, a testament to our shared history with these remarkable creatures. This tradition has been passed down through generations, evolving but always honoring the bond between human and sheep. Once the fleece is shorn, it's time for sorting, a critical step in determining the wool's destiny. Skilled workers, their eyes trained to spot subtle differences in texture and quality, meticulously examine each fleece. Like a vintner assessing grapes, they evaluate the wool's fineness, length, crimp, and color, factors that will dictate its end use. The finest wool, prized for its softness and drape, might be destined for luxurious garments, while coarser wool might find its way into carpets or upholstery. The sorted wool is then graded, a system that classifies wool based on its fiber diameter, measured in microns. The finer the fiber, the higher the grade, and the softer the hand feel. Wool grading is both a science and an art, a testament to the expertise of those who work with this versatile fiber. They are the guardians of quality, ensuring that each fleece is used to its full potential, whether it's destined for a Savile Row suit or a hard-wearing rug. Before wool can be spun into yarn, it needs a good bath. Freshly shorn fleece contains lanolin, a natural oil that protects sheep from the elements. While lanolin has many beneficial properties, it also attracts dirt and debris, making the wool sticky and difficult to process. Enter the scouring process, a multi-step cleaning ritual that removes lanolin, dirt, and other impurities. The wool is gently agitated in a series of baths, each with varying temperatures and detergents, effectively removing impurities without damaging the delicate fibers. The water used in the scouring process is often recycled and treated, minimizing environmental impact. The scouring process transforms the wool from a greasy, dirty mess into a clean, fluffy cloud, ready for the next stage of its transformation. It's a testament to the ingenuity of textile technology, finding ways to process natural fibers while minimizing waste and environmental impact. Section 5. Carding and spinning, from fluff to yarn. Now that the wool is clean and dry, it's time to turn those fluffy fibers into yarn. This transformation is both fascinating and intricate, involving several key steps that ensure the wool is ready for its next life. This is where carding comes in, a process that aligns the fibers and removes any remaining tangles. Carding is essential for creating a smooth, even texture in the final yarn. Imagine combing your hair, but on a much larger scale. The carding machine works tirelessly to ensure each fiber is perfectly aligned. Carding machines, equipped with rows of fine teeth, gently tease apart the wool, creating a continuous web of aligned fibers. This web is crucial for the next stage of the process. Next comes spinning, the magical process that transforms the carded wool into yarn. This step is where the wool truly begins to take on its new form. Spinning wheels, once a common sight in homes around the world, have evolved into sophisticated machines capable of producing yarn of varying thicknesses and textures. These modern marvels can handle large quantities of wool with precision and speed. The basic principle, however, remains the same, twisting the fibers together to create a strong, continuous thread. This twisting action is what gives the yarn its strength and durability. The spinning process is a mesmerizing dance of whirling bobbins and twisting threads, a testament to the ingenuity of generations past. Each twist and turn is a step closer to the final product. It's a process that connects us to our textile heritage, a reminder of the skill and artistry involved in transforming raw materials into useful objects. From ancient times to modern days, the journey from fluff to yarn is a story of innovation and tradition. Section 6. Dyeing delights, adding color to the canvas. While natural wool comes in a beautiful array of colors, from creamy white to rich browns and blacks, dyeing allows for endless creative possibilities. Dyes, whether natural or synthetic, are used to transform the wool into a vibrant palette, ready to be woven into colorful creations. The dyeing process involves immersing the wool in a bath of dye, the color penetrating the fibers and transforming the material. Natural dyes derived from plants, insects, or minerals have been used for centuries, each with its unique properties and hues. Synthetic dyes, developed in the 19th century, offer a wider range of colors and greater consistency. Dyeing is where science meets art, a delicate balance of chemistry and creativity. It's a process that allows us to express ourselves through color, transforming wool into a canvas for our imagination. Section 7. Weaving wonders from looms to garments. The final stage in wool's journey takes us to the loom, a marvel of engineering that transforms yarn into fabric. Looms, whether simple hand-operated devices or sophisticated industrial machines, work on the same basic principle, interlacing threads lengthwise, known as warp, and crosswise, known as weft, to create a woven structure. The rhythmic clatter of looms has filled workshops for centuries, the sound of creativity in action. Skilled weavers manipulate the loom's intricate mechanisms, their hands moving with practiced precision, creating fabrics of varying weights, textures, and patterns. From delicate lace to sturdy tweed, the possibilities are endless. Limited only by the weaver's imagination, weaving is a testament to human ingenuity, a fusion of art and technology. It's a process that transforms simple threads into complex structures, creating fabrics that clothe, adorn, and inspire us. Section 8. Wool's green credentials, a sustainable choice. In a world grappling with the environmental impact of textile production, wool stands apart as a sustainable choice. Wool is a renewable resource. Sheep regrow their fleece annually, providing a continuous supply of this versatile fiber. Unlike synthetic fabrics derived from petroleum, Wool is biodegradable, breaking down naturally without leaving harmful microplastics behind. Wool's durability is another eco-friendly attribute. Well-maintained wool garments can last for decades, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Wool's natural breathability and moisture-wicking properties also contribute to its sustainability, reducing the need for frequent washing. Choosing wool is an investment in a healthier planet. By supporting sustainable textile practices, we can reduce our environmental footprint and preserve precious resources for generations to come. Section 9. In conclusion, a toast to the humble sheep. From the shearing sheds to the spinning mills, wool's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring partnership with nature. It's a story of skilled artisans, innovative technologies, and a deep respect for the environment. Wool, a gift from the humble sheep, continues to clothe, comfort, and inspire us, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. So, the next time you pull on a cozy sweater or sink your feet into a plush carpet, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey of wool. It's a journey that spans continents, cultures, and centuries, a testament to the enduring power of nature's gifts.